right. Par 3. Kind of plays long. Step on this one, but keep it controlled. Oh, that looks beautiful. Oh, it's so short. How is it so short? This is too much club. There has to be wind or something down there. All right, we left this one pretty short, but my line was perfect. Guess I need to start hitting like a 6-iron here.
Please come quick. 'Cause I got something to admit. I met a man out in mistakes to get on it. He drove a Series 10 Cadillac and wore a cigar on his lip. Don't you know the devil wears
the
a
bogey.
suit and
Bogey
a tie?
golf.